Did Apple seriously leak its own phone? Kinda. In the last few days, a camouflaged prototype and a wave of consistent reports lined up to reveal Apple's boldest iPhone shakeup in years. Today, I'm breaking down the iPhone 17 lineup, the fresh design, the wild camera overhaul, the new Air model, and, yes, the price and release dates. Stick around, because the rumor that explains that wider camera bar points to the biggest zoom upgrade ever, and it changes everything. Coming up, the spec bump that could finally retire your compact camera. Let's start with the look. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are leaning into a futuristic camera bar with a triangular lens layout, LiDAR and the flash shift to the far right, giving the top a stretched, intentional silhouette that screams Pro. Materials get interesting too. An aluminum titanium approach for strength without hand fatigue, a crisp two-tone finish, and a special edition color with a liquid glass effect. White at a glance, then subtly shifting as you move. There's a very practical reason Apple widened that bump, and it's not just aesthetics. Here's where the debate gets juicy. The telephoto is rumored to jump from 5 times to as much as 8 times optical zoom using a movable lens mechanism. Translation: the lens needs physical room to travel, so Apple carved out space by raising and widening the bump and relocating components like the flash and LiDAR. If this lands, it's the most meaningful zoom leap in iPhone history. Sharper sports, cleaner concert shots, real reach without watercolor mush. On software, leaks point to a pro-grade camera app with manual controls, RAW, and deeper Pro tools. Wait till you hear what the Pro models do with MagSafe. Day-to-day quality of life looks strong. Pro models reportedly get a redesigned MagSafe ring that finally enables reverse wireless charging. Drop AirPods or an Apple Watch on the back and top them up on the go. Improved thermal management should keep frame rates and recording stable under heavy loads. Gaming, 4K video, hot cars. The aluminum titanium blend aims to keep weight down while staying durable, and that liquid glass finish isn't just eye candy. It's Apple flexing material science again. A lighter chassis plus better cooling is a sneaky win for mobile creators. Trust me on this one. The Air is going to be polarizing. Ultra slim and super light thanks to a smaller battery, it's built for portability first. But endurance could be the question mark. To hit a friendlier price, Apple trims elsewhere. A single rear camera, no reverse wireless charging, standard issue MagSafe, and a dialed-back processor and speaker setup. If you live in notes, messages, and casual snaps, you'll love the feel. Power user, this probably isn't your daily driver. I'll tell you exactly how Apple plans to justify a price bump in a second. Multiple reports point to a $50 bump across the board. Rough math? Base iPhone 17 around $799, Air about $949, Pro at $1,049, and Pro Max near $1,000, $1,249. Silver lining, Pro base storage doubles from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. Finally, less cloud cleaning. Launch timeline looks classic Apple. Event Tuesday, September 9th. Pre-orders Friday, September 12th. Release Friday, September 19th. So, should you upgrade? If you value reach and pro-level control, the 17 Pro looks like the move. If you crave featherweight minimalism and mostly live in light apps, the Air's vibe might hook you. Just budget for a battery pack. So which single upgrade would actually make you switch? 8 times zoom, reverse charging, or that liquid glass finish? Drop your take below. And if this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our review when it releases.